Hi guys, welcome. This is Ravi and welcome to this video series. In this video, I'm going to show you the basic turtle coding in Python. So this is the basics to computer graphics and you will learn to make basic shapes like square, circle. I'm going to show the very basics and in the next video, I'm going to club this with loops to make some fancy designs. Alright, nothing too complicated, just basic and easy for you to understand. Alright, let's start. So I'm going to open my IDLE using a command space. IDLE is the Python shell. Shell is open. What is Turtle? Turtle is some software written a piece of code written by someone which we're going to use. So I'll do import Turtle. Alright, I'll just show you what Turtle is and then explain. Okay, so as soon as I wrote this line turtle.pen, I got a white section of white window next to me. Alright, this is called as a canvas, and if you notice the small arrow here facing to the right, the black arrow which is facing to the right, that is my turtle. So I can give my turtle some commands so that it can move forward, it can look, so it can rotate itself to any position on the screen. So we will do that, and it can thus make shapes. Alright, so this code is written by someone, and that's why I'm importing this module turtle by using this import statement. And I use a equals to turtle.pen. So a is just a variable that will be connected with my turtle, and turtle.pen is an inbuilt thing inside the turtle module which we are using. Okay, so we don't need to know, but these two statements are compulsory before you try to use anything in turtle. Now this arrow doesn't look like a turtle, so I'll make it look like a turtle with this command. Okay, so now it looks like a turtle. I'll give it a color. Default color is black. I'm going to change it to blue. Okay, so now this is a turtle looking on the right side, I mean to the viewer's right side. Alright, so I'll make it draw a square. So let's go and draw a square. Actually, I'll make it draw a equilateral triangle instead of a square because that is a little more complex. So for an equilateral triangle, guys, if you remember, if you've learned it in school, equilateral triangle has all three sides and all three angles equal. So the side can be of any size, but the inner angle is 60 degrees. Okay, so let's start with the triangle. I'm going to draw the triangle of size 100 of sides of size 100 pixels. So I'll do a dot forward. Forward is the command to move my turtle forward, and I'm going to move it forward by 100 pixels. So there you go. Turtle has moved forward. Alright, so that's that. And then now I want the turtle to rotate left so that the inner angle is 60. Angles on a linear pair form 180 degrees. If I want to rotate left from here, okay, so that the inner angle is 60, then I have to rotate by 180 minus 60, which is 120 degrees. So let's do that. A dot left 120. See, the turtle has rotated all the way from pointing to the right side to pointing at this specific place. Okay, and then I'll again do a dot forward. Okay, so here's the turtle has moved forward. Now I have to repeat the step. A dot left and a dot forward, and I'll again do a dot left so that the turtle is again at the starting position from where it started. So this is a basic code. Usually everybody, all children are interested in learning turtle code because it's, you do something, you see a design right there. So it's very engaging and involving. If you like this turtle code, give it a big thumbs up, give my video a like, share your thoughts in the comments. Now in the next tutorial, I'm going to take it forward and join this turtle code with loops. Okay, so stay tuned, watch the next tutorial also. Thank you so much. Like, comment and subscribe, and again thank you.